Transform your business with Zebra and doForms. doForms is a cloud service that allows quick and easy creation of digital forms for data collection. The collected data can be shared with customers, collaborators, and computer systems. Our mobile application has been certified by Zebra Technologies and compatible to use with their mobile computers and mobile printers, such as the T26 and ZQ300. Building a digital form does not require programming knowledge. We are a non-code service, so anyone with Office knowledge can create a workflow and start collecting information from their Zebra device in a few hours. The savings generated by eliminating the exchange of paper promotes efficiency and ensures the quality of information. Let's look at a case. Anthony is the sales manager of a successful department store. The demands of today's market require Anthony to be agile in the fulfillment and delivery of the orders they receive daily. The omni-channel strategy implemented by Anthony requires a lot of control and visibility of their inventory. And to have several points of contact, their management must be reliable, profitable, and scalable. Anthony complements his omni-channel strategy by generating a pick-and-pack form to be used in his warehouse. Using our dispatch functionality, doForms receives the orders to be completed and assigns them to the mobile computers used by the warehouse assistants. This integration of dispatching to mobile computers is achieved by our synchronization service with database, CRMs, and ERPs. Once the warehouse assistant completes the pick-and-pack process, doForms finalizes the order and synchronizes it with the company's inventory information system. Anthony now prepares to deliver the order to the consumer. He creates a home delivery form using the same logic. This delivery form allows him to see the status of the delivery in real time. doForms allows Anthony to see the order's departure time, its route, and when the order is delivered, he asks the customer to confirm their satisfaction using our contactless signature functionality. Today, Anthony feels more confident to innovate as he has the tools he needs to grow. With more than 100 functionalities available for the development of digital forms, doForms provides flexibility in the creation of business workflows, allowing our service to be used in any industry. The ease of integrating our cloud with systems and services such as Salesforce, QuickBooks, SharePoint, SQL, and others makes us the most trusted computer peripheral worldwide. Our application is available in the following languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, Greek, Russian, and Japanese. Transform your business today. Visit us at doforms.com/free-trial and request your free trial.